In this class, what we are going to discuss is divisibility rule, divisibility rule for prime numbers. Divisibility rule for prime numbers we will discuss. Divisibility rule for prime numbers. What we are going to discuss today? Theory of osculation. Theory of osculation is an extremely important concept to find out the divisibility rule of a prime number. Theory of osculation. Once we understand the theory of osculation, right, we can develop the divisibility rule of any prime number. Then we will find the divisibility rule for 7, 11, 13. 7 into 11 is 77. 7 into 13 is 91. 11 into 13 is 143. 7 into 11 into 13 is 1001. Divisibility rule for these special numbers 7, 11, 13, 77, 91, 143, 1001. Then we will also see the divisibility rules for 10 power k plus or minus 1. 10 power k plus or minus 1. What are the numbers that are predominantly asked? 99 and 101. 99 is 10 square minus 1. 101 is 10 square plus 1. Then we will also discuss the divisibility rule for 73 and 137. 73 and 137. Followed by the divisibility rule for 271, 41. 271, 41. Then we will discuss the divisibility rule for 19, 19 and 17. 19 and 17. This is a very special class where we are finding the divisibility rules for a prime number. Divisibility rules for a prime number. I hope the right idea is clear. Shall we start the class? Divisibility rule for prime number 7, 11, 13, 77, 91, 143 and 1001. Divisibility rules for 10 power k plus or minus 1. Divisibility rule for 73, 137. Divisibility rule for 271, 41. Divisibility rule for 19 and 17. 19 and 17. Please write down, sir. Next one. Divisibility rule for any prime number. The first concept what we are going to discuss is, right, now see, divisibility rule using osculation. Divisibility rule for a prime number. Divisibility rule for a prime number using theory of osculation. Divisibility rule for prime number using theory of osculation. Using theory of osculation. What do you mean by theory of osculation? Theory of osculation is a concept that will help us in deriving the divisibility rule of a prime number. Let us see the theory of osculation. If there is a 2-digit prime number, let the 2-digit prime number be represented as AB. If A takes single digit, B takes single digit, it's a 2-digit number. A takes 2 digits, B takes single digit, it's a 3-digit number, so on and so forth. If you are able to write AB as B into K plus or minus A as either 0 or the number or the multiple of the number, right, you can find your own divisibility rule of any prime number. Divisibility rule of any prime number. AB, it is a number. If you can find out the value of k such that B into k plus or minus A is either 0 or AB or multiple of AB, then you can find the divisibility rule of a prime number. Let me explain it by taking some concepts. By taking some prime numbers. Listen carefully, sir. Let me write prime number on the left hand side. Prime number, I am writing it on the left hand side, and the divisibility rule on the right hand side. And the divisibility rule on the right hand side. Let me take some prime numbers. You know the divisibility rule for 11. Let me start with 13. 13. AB it is 13. 3 should be multiplied by which number? When added to the previous number, I will get the same number. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 3 fours are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 12 plus 1 13. That means K value it is 4. That means the divisibility rule of 13 is 4b plus 1, 4 into unit digit plus the remaining digit. 3 fours are 12, 12 plus 1 it is 13. I hope the idea it is very much clear. After 13, let me take the next prime number 17. 7 should be multiplied by which natural number? Addition or subtraction from the remaining part, I will get the same number. 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 1 15, 7 fives are 35, 35 minus 1 it is 34, 7 into 5 minus 1. That means answer for this question is 5b minus a. Answer for this question is 5b minus a. 5 into 7 is 35, 35 minus 1 is 34. If it is 19, 9 should be multiplied by which number? Addition or subtract, I will get the same number. 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 1, 9 into 2 plus 1, 9 into 2 plus 1. So, the divisibility rule of 19 is 2b plus a. I hope the idea it is clear. It all depends upon the number. Suppose if it is 23, 23 if it is a 2-digit number, 3 should be multiplied by which number when added to another number? I will get the same number. 3 sevens are 21, 21 plus 2 is 23. So, this will be 3 into 7 plus 2. So, answer for this question is 7b plus a. Answer for this question is 7b plus a. Like that, you can develop your own divisibility rule. Suppose 29 is there. 29. What is the divisibility rule of 29? 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 2. It is 29. So, answer is 3 into 9 plus 2. 3 into 9 plus 2. So, answer for this question is 3b plus a. Take the unit digit, multiply it by 3 times, add it to the remaining part of the number. I will get the divisibility rule of 29. If it is 31, I can write it as 1 into 3 minus 3, which is 0, which is 3b minus a, which is 3b minus a. Similarly, tell me some other numbers after 31. Next number is 37. Divisibility rule of 37 is 7 into 11 minus 3. 77 minus 3, 74. 74, it is a multiple of AD. So, this will be 11b minus a. This will be 11b minus a. I hope the idea it is clear. 41 can be written as 1 into 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. That means answer is 4b minus a. Like that, you can develop your own divisibility rules. 43. 43. What is the divisibility rule of 43? 3 should be multiplied by which number? When added to 4, I will get 43. 3 13s are 39. 39 plus 4, 43. 3 into 13 plus 4. 39 plus 4, 43. This will be 13b plus a. This will be 13b plus a. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Theory of oscillation states, take any number, write down it as 2 variables, a, b. Take b, multiply it with k, plus or minus a, either 0 or ab or multiple of ab. It's all about finding the value of k. If you can find that value of k, which will make the right hand side satisfy, you can do it. I hope the idea it is clear. Like that, you can keep deriving the divisibility